Hi guys. I just wanted to jump on here quickly. Uh, on our last trip back from the Kruger, we stopped in Dullstroom with the main aim being to visit the Dullstroom Birds of Prey and Rehabilitation Center to do a birds in flight photography session. While we were there, I didn't really get a chance to actually, do a voiceover on any of the videos that we were taking because it was such a busy session, and it was hard to get a few minutes in between to just speak. But I just wanted to give some background and some additional information on the center itself. It was started up with the aim to, educate the public on these raptors and the role they play within the environment, and it's actually then evolved into a rehabilitation center as well, because they were finding that in the location where they are, there wasn't a facility that helped take in injured birds that needed to be rehabbed and sent back out into the wild. So then they expanded their remit a little bit, and they do rehabilitation. They take in between 80 and 200 birds a year, and they nurse them back to health, and then for the most part they release them. The birds that can't be released are sometimes put into these photography sessions or the shows that they run, where they use these birds to then educate the public and raise some funds, because they are a non-profit organization and they rely solely on the funds that they raise, as well as donations that they get in from the public to actually carry out their duty. So you can go in for their daily sessions, or you can donate money directly to them, or like my friend Jayesh does, you can sponsor a bird for a year for, I think it's about 1,500 rand, and you can then take care of that bird. That generally helps them with their costs and making sure they break even. It's something that Prasheen and I are both looking into as well, and hopefully we'll get sorted out soon, and we'll be sponsoring some birds soon as well. So yeah, a good cause, and if you can, please support it. I'll add the website to the video, and you can go check them out.
Right, you guys must want to get ready. Hello. Stunning. So yeah, she's one of those birds that. Hi. Hi. Action shots there. Okay, here we go, guys. Hello. Where are you going?
She came to me.
Go sit here on the lap. Come. Heidi, kyk hierso. Sit op die man se lap.
Oh no, I should not. Oh!
It's a lap owl, julle.
Hey guys, so we are at the Dullstroom Bird of Prey. There's an owl on my lap. Her name is Heidi. She likes me. I'm taking her home with me.
Tell him my heart will break, man. Alright. So we're gonna try another one from the tree, or you guys?
Yeah, let's try, I think, one more from the tree, and then...
The first one was one factor. Yeah, the first one was.
It's very tricky.
Jay, you in my shot? Oh, get down.
Yeah, he's going down. You're right there at the back. Very quiet. Okay. Right, here we go. 1. And 2. Not on 3, you little talk rat. I didn't count till 3. 1, 2. Yeah! Yes, you're mooi ding. Hi!
Hey guys, morning. So we came through to Dullstroom Birds of Prey. We're doing the birding photography, or birds in flight photography session. So our handler Magdalene just went to fetch the barn owl that was with us earlier. Yeah, so far it's been exciting. Prasheen has filled a memory card up.
On the first bird.
On the first bird. And Jay is getting some different wide angle shots there. That's why he's down in the grass. I don't know if you can see him. What do you have on there? 2470? Oh, okay. So Magdalene is just going to come back now, and we're going to just...
The only female I know of that wants to get weighed twice a day. I'm sitting on the scale in the weighing room. Oh, she's so sweet.
Check this. I'm gonna shoot wider.
Portrait.
Yeah, shoot
Yeah.
wider, but it's fine.
Landscape shot.
Check this.
Nature. Yeah.
I might just go for the bump.
Right.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Ah, they just showed me one now. All right, you guys, let's try again. 1, 2. Stunning, man.
Right, Jay, you can look this side now. Oh, you must get shot. Oh.
All right, and then you must basically go.
Wait, dude, I'll get some video as well. Here's Prashin with the Noniki's owl.
She's very cute.
She's
How old is she?
She's now about 13 years old. So these guys, you know, they can live up to about 20. No, Heidi is an imprint. So
This is Heidi.
because she thinks she's a
Heidi
that's why she's so comfortable there.
wat woont in die bergen. No, this is Noniki's owl.
Her husband will ignore and flat.
It's okay.
Obviously, like I said,
No, it's cool.
yeah, free entrance for a year, and then you basically get your name on the aviary, and then if you sponsor an aviary,
Prashan, try again. I just want to catch it.
wow.
Prashan trying to pet the bird.
Very soft.
Yes, that's so fun. And I'm telling you, I don't know who had the time or the patience, but they counted the feathers of an owl, and they actually realized that the size of the average buzzard, this bird has got more feathers than that buzzard. An owl. Yeah, definitely. Because of the silent flight, they need that.
Yeah.
And they need the riffles on the feathers, the rough edges here, to cut through the air differently like any other bird of prey. So very special. I love owls. They're so cool! They're so fluffy! There when he comes down. He's just gonna drop like a rock, eh? So just be ready for that. Right, you ready there with your big lens? Yeah. Alright, let's try. 1, 2, 3. Okay, he's bobbing. Come. Okay, here it comes. Should be stabilized from this side very quickly. So for the first, depending on the species, but for the first 3 to 4 months, they grow up, and that's basically. That's just going to shake a little bit. Yeah, hold the boy. That's why you started your calling. You obviously want shots as well. Oh, you're right. Okay.
But Renee, she must come and take some shots here on this side.
Yeah.
There's still a bit of time. Right, you ready?
Right now I'm ready.
Okay, ready? Okay, I'm gonna call him. Okay, no, I'm gonna ask him again. Here we go.
This one is weeding.
Gonna put a perch.
Must we move the cameras from there?
No, I'm getting it like open, gliding, but the things are
Grass. Bring your weed whacker and come.
Can you
Thank
take
you so much.
one of our phones as well? Or you can send it to me.
I can send it to you. So I can WhatsApp it to you. It's no problem. Listen, yeah, if you
Long-crested
wanna
eagle.
take a nice shot for him with one of your smart cameras, it's no problem. You can do that again. So come off, my boy. The rest of him is
It's
fine.
gone.
You can even scratch a little bit at the back of the head. Really, he's got no issues.
Oh
with
no, but he's like
that. No, it's fine.
Go slow moving.
It's really fine. You can even, you see with me as well.
yeah.
You can even, you see,
Oh,
strike the breast a bit there. Borsy.
borsy.
Yeah. Little croppy.
Oh, his nose is leaking.
Sweating.
Oh, sweating.
Yeah, they sweat through the mouth and their nose.
Oh,
Yeah. So technically for him this is hard work. So he was sweating a bit. Bless him. Also just take a photo for me. Eddie. Set up when I bring it down. Set up because I'm going to put food in the pond over there. Alright, so I'm basically what she's probably going to do. I'm not too sure with the wind, but what she usually does, she goes and she sits on the tee there. And then what I'll do is I'll just...
Ready?
Okay, 1, 2, yeah! Okay, she's coming. 1, 2. Oof. 2, 3. Okay, sorry, she got distracted. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. You're welcome. Never seen a man so eager to put a woman on his head. There we go.
Too much contrast.
Oh, I need to stand this way.
No, the other way, the other way.
This way.
No, turn this way towards Magdalene. Look at Magdalene. Yeah.
Oh, say.
There you go.
When she's looking at you.
I'm getting her in focus. You don't need to be in focus.
Hi, my niece. Hi, Miss Dad. Works out because I work with them, and then if my phone rings.
Okay, Jay. Yeah.
Good girl. I see. You wanna give her a go, but she's alright. There we go. Good girl. Doesn't make leave stir. And the nice thing about Daff, she doesn't bite. She just, obviously this hand brings the food all the time. So she's just like nibble, 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 nibble. So she's really amazing.
Can you do that?
Try.
Even if I
I
don't.
promise you she won't bite you. She's just a little bit sorry. Sorry. Let's try.
Yeah.
Wait, Magdalene, turn around.
Hey,
Jay,
Daffy.
get a pic of me.
Daffy.
Yeah, that's it.
Let's try. Oh, bless you. Bless you, my girl.
Turn here as well, Pastor.
Oh, but the sun is a bit harsh on our eye.
Is it? That,
Yeah.
Watch out.
The shadow.
Turn slightly to the right.
Right.
Like towards his face.
Towards Jay's, your
Yeah. Yeah. Talk to her.
Is it fine? Tell me to stop.
For me a perch.
She's slightly heavier than the Barney. Slightly.
Yes, slightly. She's 580 grams. The Barney is 300 grams.
Yourself in it.
Yeah. So I'm going to do this. Look at my face. Do it.
Right.
Nothing. Face like dust.
Chicken dust.
Oh,
Do it again. Got it.
Yeah, got it.
she's so. I think she can sit like that.
Tilt your head slightly up so we can see.
Oh, I was getting video. Sorry. Oh, nice.
You see? She's the sweetest thing.
Say hello to the camera. Hello.
I was never into birds. In fact, I didn't like birds at all. And this one came along and I changed it completely. Yes, that's the one. That's the one. No, she's a phenomenal animal. And yeah, and now it's just birds rule and never looking back at me. Absolutely. No.
What's her name? Daphne, yeah? Daffy.
No,
Oh.
no, chuck it.
It's not like a dog.
So I'm saying, yeah, no, for sure. But with food, you can train and ask a lot. And if it's not too much to ask, you do it.
I can actually see my reflection in her eye.
Isn't that phenomenal?
It's so cool.
A few times when I was trying to predict.
To be so close to her.
Yeah.
Just amazing. Chanty! Come on! Doubt it, but let's ask her shit. Sorry for whistling, I just have to call her back, otherwise she goes away. And no, the wind is too much for her. She'll do this, no problem, because it's not gonna blow her away.
Okay.
Shanti! The lady. I know. What are we gonna do with the demo, my Scott?
No, Jay, you need to be stronger, Jay.
And just wait a little bit before you do. Hang on.
Let her eat here.
Just let me just, you got her there, huh? Let me just do this for you. She's got your finger there. There we go. That's better. Right, so what you do is you just bring her slightly in, rest your elbow against your body so you can get some support, and if you have to, with the other hand support.
Nice. Oh, well done, Prasyan. I want one like that with her in front of my face, and then I'm looking
Try
on.
not to drop your
Yeah, she's not gonna look at you.
Nice.
I'm ready.
4 kilos?
Yeah,
Okay, got it.
right.
Heavy, right? Yeah.
No, man, Jay is over.
Yeah, just wait for her to sit me in for a minute.
Yeah.
Just let her get comfortable in the glove. Come, come. Come. Yeah. Just be careful of the wind, you're gonna crash. Just run here quickly. Just run. Run first. Okay.
Oh, she understands run, eh?
Food.
Oh.
Leafy, and then that side. There we go, and then into the wind. Thank you, my babiki. Leafy, into the wind. Up to Daisy. Daar's my scarpie. Wings there.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, 1, 2.
She's quite actually. I'm gonna side with Jay here.
Girl,
She is quite heavy.
these guys with their,
You can
how dare they?
you can feel her talents like digging in now.
Just
Sorry.
You went to bed.
That's it. She's just gonna sit like a poop for now. I'll get her to sit properly. Just give me a,
she's not dripping properly.
yeah, just
Yo, look at those talons, but eh?
minute for me. There we go.
There you
Thank
go.
you. Oh, safe. Okay. If you guys approach, just slowly, slow movements. Everything just slow. Everything. just
Prasyan, turn a little bit so that you're not in shadow. Yeah, slow. A little bit more. There you go. Got a big eagle there, eh? Not a big ego.
There's a precious girl. Like Hailey isn't scared at all, and that's dangerous. You see. So if she's a bit scared, what she does is she just flies away. That's all she does. Yeah. Which is awesome, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, you guys. What a wow.
She's
That's
sweating as well.
No, she's sweating. Yeah. With the big eagles with the crappy winds, it is quite a challenge, but she gets there. She gets there.